Hello friends, my name is Vishwas Aitam. I hope you're all doing fine, having a lovely day. So for today's problem for geek is find the first node of the loop in the linked list. Okay, so given a single linked list of an n node, find the first node of the loop if the linked list has a loop. If the linked list has a loop, this is the condition. If a loop is present, return the node data. So we have to return the node data of the first node of the loop. Else, if it is not the case, we have to return -1. So we are given a linked list. We have to find if there is a loop or not. Okay. So let's see here. So first, what you have to do here? First, for finding this, to solve this solution, we will approach by first method to find the meeting point. Find the meeting point. Then we have to iterate the temporary. We have to place a temporary array, and we have to follow the we have to put nest to follow till temporary node will collide with the start node. So I will explain this, and I will explain this one also, so don't worry. First what you have to do, we have to find a meeting point or a collision point. So how we can find it? We will use a fast and slow method. In fast method, what we have to do, we will do nest 2 times. We will do nest here 2 times. For slow, what we have to do, we have to do only 1 time. Okay. So what I am saying here, we have to find a meeting point. So here, so let's say the starting point is here. Fast and slow, for starting point is the root node. So fast will travel 2 times faster than slow. So now fast will be reaching here, and slow will be reaching here. And slow will again will travel again only 1, but fast will travel 2 times. Now fast is here, and again the fast will travel 2 times. So it will reach again, it will travel again, it will reach here again, and near slow will come here. And now again slow will travel 1 time, and again fast will travel 1 time, and this is the collision point. So first what we have to do, we have to find a collision point or meeting point. We found the meeting point. How we have to do? We have to traverse slow only one. We have to do nest only 1 times of slow, and for fast we have to do is 2 times. So till we reach a meeting point. So now what we have to do here? So now for second rule, what is the second rule? So what I am saying here, just assume here the meeting point is here. Just assume meeting point is here, which is this is a collision point. So we have to find the answer here. We have to find answer here, and this is a collision point. So let's say the distance from here till here is d1. Okay, and from here till here it is d2. Okay, and for when it will be collide here, when slow and fast will be meeting at the same point. So how many times slow will travel? Just assume slow will travel distance 1 plus distance 2. And for fast, how many times it will travel? It will travel distance 1 plus distance 2, and also it will circle for this, so plus c. Okay, so for this formula we said for every fast node it will travel 2 times the starting node, because start will travel only 1 time, so it will increase only 1 time, but fast will increase only 2 times. So it is double of start. So what we will do here? We will say 2 of start. We will assume this equation now. For now, what we have to say? Now, for first we have distance b1 plus b2 plus c. And for start is only b1 plus b2. And we can cut this guy. So this will be 2b1 plus 2b2. And here b1 plus b2 plus c, the cycle. So we can cut this 2 and we can cut this guy also. So now c will be equal to b1 plus b2. So collision point is here c. So we will assume c is here. The collision point is c. So now here the start is here or fast. We will assume start only. We will assume slow here. The slow is here now. So how many times he have to travel to reach here? So for slow, how many times he have to travel here? For slow, how many times he have to travel to reach to C? He has already traveled D2. Now how many times he have to travel? He have to travel here D1 times. And he already traveled D once. So from here till here it is D1. So for to get and from here also to here is also D1. So that's why we are saying we will add temporary here and we will keep on increasing till D1 and also the slow till D1 till we find collision. So collision is equal to D1 plus D2 and here already slow is traveled till D2. Now you have to travel till D1. So that's why we are just iterating dot nest till we reach the collision point. I hope you understood. So this is the collision point here. This is the collision point. This is a cycle here. So he have to travel b1 plus b2 to reach C, or in this case he have to travel b1. We have to travel b1, which is C minus b2. So he already traveled b2, so you have to reach here. This is the second rule for this. I hope you understood why we are using temporary to reach the collision and why we are using slow to reach the collision. So this is the formula for this. Now we will code this formula. So first what we have to check, we have to make a node for slow which is head. We have to make another node fast which will be assigned to his head. Then we have to also make a node for temporary. In the second case we have to do this second case. I hope you understood this. If it is not clear, please do comment. I will again explain in detail in the comment. So it will be head here. Now what we have to do, we have to check. So in this case, let's say let's take an example. So okay, let's solve this example first. What we have to do here, let's solve first code and then we'll try to in this case, if there is no loop, then what is the case here? Who will reach first null point? Who will reach the first null point? Will slow will reach the null point or fast will reach null point? Yes, fast will reach the null point. So what we will do here, if fast.nest is equal to null, then stop this array, or is not equal to null. We have to make it's not equal to null, and fast dot nest, because we have to take two condition, if nest is null or nest, because we are increasing fast by 2 times. So dot nest is not equal to null. Then we will go inside this while loop. While loop. Okay. So now how much time slow will increase? Slow will increase only 1 time. So slow dot nest. And how much time fast will increase? Fast will increase 2 times. So nest dot nest. Okay. So now what you have to check? If the collision occurs, so if slow will equal to fast, then what we have to do? We have to check while slow is not equal to temporary. Till then we have to iterate to the we have to do nest to the linked list. So what we have to do here? Slow will be equal to slow dot nest, and for temp also it will be equal to temp dot nest. So when the slow is equal to temporary linked list, temporary node, what we have to do? We have to return the temp dot data. Okay. If that is a not case, if we found the null, so what we have to return here? Here we have to return here -1. Let's compile it. A with some error. Not. Yeah, my internet was slow. Okay, let's submit and see. Okay, so it got submitted. So let's see an example here. Just assume it starts from here, and fast also starts from here. Slow and start, and first slow will only run one time. Slow will only run one time. But fast will run 2 times. Here it will be fast. Now again slow will run 1 time and fast will run 2 times. And again slow will run 1 time here and fast will run how many times? 2 times, and it will reach here again. Now the slow will reach here and fast will reach here. So what is this here? This is a collision point or meeting point of fast and slow. Now what we have to do? We have to do distance. We have traveled distance 2. Now you have to travel distance 1. So what we will do here? We will assign temp dot nest. So here slow is here. So temp dot nest will be equal to 3. And for slow dot nest will be equal to 3, and for temp dot nest equal to 3. So we found here temporary is equal to slow. So we have to return the data here. I hope you understood. Let's have another example. I do have another example here. Yes. So see here. So slow will run here, and fast is here. So fast will travel 2 times. The fast will reach here, and slow will reach here. And again fast will travel how many times? 2 times. And slow will reach here. And again how many times fast will travel here? Fast will travel here 7. And slow will travel here 4. And now again fast will travel how many times? 2 times, which is here. And again slow will travel only 1 time, S. And again fast will travel how many times? 2 times, which is here. And slow will travel 1 time here. So what is this? This is a collision point. So what is this? This is a collision point. We have found a collision point, which is 3. So when we found a 3, what we have to do? We have a temporary array. We have to do nest. So what is this? This is distance 1, and this is distance 2. And from here till here, it will be equal to to reach here. It will be distance 1. Let's see if the proof is right or not. Let's see here. So now the slow was here, slow.next will be here, and temp.next will be here. Now slow.next will be here, and temp.next will be here, and slow.next will be here now, here, and temporary will be here, and slow dot will be here, and temporary will be here. So we found the collision point. So distance will be so this distance will be equal to this distance, and we have proven by the solution where collision point is equal to d1 plus d2 or any circle. So he like all first on like for this flow it has already traveled d2 distance, and he have to travel d1, and here also he have to travel d1 to reach here. I hope you understood like two formulas, like two methods to solve two methods to solve this approach. First one is slow and fast. Another one is we have to use formula collision equal to distance one plus distance 2. I hope you understood this problem. If there is any doubt regarding this problem, please do comment. I will help you. And if you like this video, please like, subscribe to my channel. It will be great help. And thank you. Bye.